Just a quick video this morning, guys. This is your morning routine, basically blowing your seed off. Blow all your empty shells off, top it up. Top it up with fresh seed. Just do that every morning. It takes 2 seconds to do. Basically, if you've not got the time to do that in the morning, you shouldn't be breeding birds really. Blow all the shells off. Put it up. Put it into cages. Everyone's got food now. Yeah. 2 seconds to do. Literally been in the shed here 2 minutes. That's all it takes, 2 minutes. Bye lad. Be good. There you go. All got fresh seed now. Fill your water up. Empty it. Top it up with fresh water. This routine needs to be done every single morning. Fresh seed, fresh water, easy. And because it's becoming breeding season soon, next couple of months, start pull the divides out every morning for a couple of hours. Let your birds bond, get used to each other. Watch for the signs of bonding, like I said in the description of the last video. Remember, watching for your cock and your hen feeding each other, and you know it's a good sign they're going to breed for you. So make sure they've got plenty of room. Give them all the double breeder, not just half of it. Give them plenty of room so your hens and your cock can get fit, ready for mating. And that's basically it for this morning really. All got fresh seed, fresh water. It takes 5 minutes every morning. Can't do that. Shouldn't be keeping birds really. Right, see you in the morning, guys.